Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery backup in the Realme X2 device after using for 2 days with a normal usage. So recently I did with a 1 day of usage, and this is my second day of using the Realme X2 device with the 4G data turned on. So if you're first time watching this video guys, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos, and you can also check the links in description for the playlist of Realme X2 device alone, so you can find plenty of videos which I did on the Realme X2 phone. And right now let me show you the exactly battery statistics and battery percentage, how much it is right now. So here you can see friends, I have used close to 1 day and 15 hours. So the screen on time I got around 4 hours and 6 minutes, so which is very decent screen on time considering the amount of usage. So overall friends, the standby mode in the Realme X2 device is pretty good. There is not much the battery drain is happening in the Realme X2 device, so that's why I was able to use for the 2 days with the normal usage in the device. And my usage includes a couple of watching the YouTube videos most of the time, and even watching the Prime video as well. As you can see the overall ratio, how much I have used the device today. This is a day 2 of usage. So overall friends, in terms of the battery backup, I am pretty happy with the Realme X2 device, and same kind of test even I will be doing with the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. So stay tuned guys by subscribing to my channel. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can comment below, and don't forget to check the playlist of Realme X2 device, so you can find plenty of videos in the description. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.